What's up guys? Today we will talk about how to set home screen setup and I will show you step by step. So don't forget any step for perfect setup and click the subscribe button and press bell icon. Like the video, share the video and let's get started. So our first step is install Nova launcher. Then go in setting, then search app management, then click on home screen, then select Nova launcher as a default. Then our next step is install Phoenix icon pack. Here you can saw more than thousands of icons. Then click on apply option, select Nova and press OK. Our third step is backdrop wallpaper app. You can select apply any wallpaper from here, but due to network problem I will apply download wallpaper in my gallery. Now our wallpaper has been set. Our fourth step is download KWGT Visit app. Then click on widgets, then click on 4:1, then tap and hold. Our next step is click on setup, then scroll up and select, then customize scale according to your device, then select save option. Then our one widget has set, then click on widgets, then select 4:2, then click, then scroll down, then click here, then increase size according to your device, then click on save option. Then our second widget also set, then click on widgets, then select 4:1, long tap, then scroll down and down, tap here AK039, then increase or decrease the scale according to your device, then tap on save option, then our next visit also set, then tap on visits, select search bar 4:1 no launcher, then customize the bar style, then bar logo and content, then click on logo, then click on Phoenix, then search Google, guys. From this option you can change your app logo. Simply I click on here, then you see our Google logo has changed, then click on mail, then click on edit option, then click Phoenix, then search here mail, Gmail, then select any icon, guys. I hope you understand how to set home screen setup. Then thank you guys for watching this video.